Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Referit. Friends, let me write some sentences on the board. She has a diamond. She has a diamond necklace. She has a diamond necklace. They have 10 acres of land. They have 10 acres of land. I have a red shirt. I have a red shirt. Friends, look at these three sentences. She has a diamond necklace. They have 10 acres of land. I have a red shirt. If you observe these sentences, that she is the owner of a diamond necklace. They are the owners of 10 acres of land. I am the owner of a red shirt. So in these sentences, has, have. These three intimate us the ownership of something. That she has some diamond necklace, that means she is the owner of the diamond necklace. She possesses a diamond necklace. They have 10 acres of land, that means they possess 10 acres of land. I have a red shirt, means I am the owner of a red shirt. I possess red shirt. These have or has shows us about the ownership. Okay, the ownership or possession. Ownership or possession. Have and has denotes us the ownership or the possession of something, about a noun. So today we are going to learn about these have, has, had. Have, has, had. These are all have forms. These are all have forms. So now I am going to teach have forms in detail in this video. Have, has and had or have forms. These are very important in our English language. Now, have forms are okay. Have, has, had. Has is nothing but have plus s. Have plus s, has. Have, has, had. Have and has, these are present tense have forms. Present tense have forms. Present form of have forms. But had is past form of have. Past form of have. Have and has, these two are present form of verb, present form of have. But had is the past form of have. Okay. Now let us see how these have forms are used after pronouns and singular nouns and plural nouns. Pronouns, singular nouns and plural nouns. So let me tell you, I and we. These two are first personal pronouns. Next, you, singular, and you, plural. These two are second personal pronouns. Next one, he, she, it, and they. These he, she, it, and they, these are third person singular pronouns. Next, they, it is plural pronoun of third person. So how we use this have, has and had? Have and has are present form of have. So we can use I have, we have, you have, you have. But he, she, it, he has. That means have plus s, has or has. She has, it has, but they have. But what is the difference here? What makes it different? Here, if you observe he, she and it, these are third personal singular pronouns. There is a rule in simple past tense. If the subject belongs to third person singular number, then s or es is added to the verb. That's why here we add s to have. It becomes has. That's why we should always tell he has, she has, it has. But they have, they is plural. I have, we have, you have, you have. But when we come to past form of have, that is had, we always use I had, we had, you had, you had, he had, she had, it had, they had. So friends, this is how we have to use all these have forms after pronouns and next nouns singular and plural. For example, Rama. Rama is a singular noun and it belongs to third person. That's why we should take Rama has, Sita has. But if we take plural noun, people, people have, or fruits have. Like that we should use all these have, has and had after personal pronouns and singular and plural nouns. Now we are going to know how we use these have forms in our daily lives. Have forms in our daily lives. First one, these have forms and has forms are used. First one, have forms and has forms are used in different ways. First, in the meaning of take, 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 we can use this have, has and had. Okay, I have my breakfast. I have my breakfast at 9 a.m. at 9 a.m. every day. At 9 a.m. every day. This means he takes or I take my breakfast at 9 a.m. every day. So in the present tense, these are the habits. So I have my breakfast at 9 a.m. every day. Like that. But she, just now I have told you that she takes only has. She has. She has her tiffin. She has her tiffin at 7 a.m. in the morning. 7 a.m. in the morning. So like that we can use this have or has. Okay, this have and has to indicate the meaning as take. So in the meaning of take we can use have, has. But had in the past actions we can use had in the meaning of took. I had my breakfast I had my breakfast at 8 a.m. yesterday. Yesterday, that means I had my breakfast at 8 a.m. yesterday. That means I took my breakfast at 8 a.m. yesterday. So in the meaning of take, we use have, has. In the meaning of took, we use had. So this is the first usage of have forms. Has, have and had are used in the sense of take, in the meaning of take, in the meaning of take. Next one. Second usage in the meaning of receive. In the meaning of receive, we can use have, has. In the meaning of receive or received, we can use had. So second usage of have forms is in the meaning of receive, we can use have, has and had. Okay, they had a message yesterday. They had a message yesterday. That means they received a message yesterday. Okay, next one. I have a gift from my son. I have a gift from my son. Okay, what is the meaning of have here? Here, I receive a gift from my son. Okay, I receive a gift from my son. Next one. In the meaning of experience, we can use have, has and had. We can use these have forms in the meaning of experience. Ramana had chest pain. Ramana had chest pain yesterday. Ramana had chest pain yesterday. That means Ramana had is the past form of have. Ramana experienced chest pain yesterday. Ramana experienced chest pain yesterday. Okay, like that we can use this have or has in the sense of experience, or had in the meaning of experienced, Okay. So this is how we have to use have, has and had in our usages. So friends, in this video we have discussed so far what are have forms and how do we use have forms after personal pronouns and nouns singular and plural, and how do we use this have or has and had in our daily lives. These are very important for writing or speaking English language. Okay, thank you for watching this video.